Hello guys, this video is how international students in Canada can become permanent part of Canada. That is, by attaining their permanent residency. But this video is not about me or my business. This video is about you. This video is about spreading the awareness. So one of the major challenges that is currently being faced by international students is the knowledge that they are getting. A lot of students are under impression that in the provinces that they complete their education, they won't be able to get the permanent residency in any of the programs that are available in that particular province. And for that, they end up moving to provinces like PEI or Manitoba, and they think that they are going to get the permanent residency smoother or easier in those provinces. Well, I would say that's a fallacy. I would say that's incorrect, half-cooked information that's being fed to the students basically. And this student has come through a fellow student who themselves went to consult for their application to, let's say, some consultant. But what ends up happening? Every case, every profile is different. Now, a person who is, let's say, working as a welder as compared to a person who's working as a supervisor. Again, a person who's completed his high school or his or her high school from back home compared to a person who has completed their bachelor's or master's back home and also have work experience. Well, these are different cases. These are different client profiles, and there are different solutions for these ones. It's not a one-fit-all solution. There are 80 plus programs through which you can become a permanent resident in Canada, but which suits to whom is something which we can only tell by reviewing your profile. And the profile includes your education, it includes your experience in each and every aspect, your age and everything. Now, there's a lot of gap in the information that is being fed. Now, a lot of this gap is coming because of how the consultants or how there's these what we call as ghost consultants or people who are not regulated, how they operate, or even if they're regulated, not necessarily it means that they are going to be ethical with their practices. What I mean, I'll be very straightforward. Well, demanding $50,000, $20,000 or $25,000 from a student for an opportunity of LMIA or providing them job offer is not ethical, right? When there's it's unethical and period, that's it. More importantly, there are options available. There are options available where the student, we understand how students earn this money, how students to take care of their tuition fees, and also after that they have to take care of these fees as well. Well, important thing to understand over here is that if you can get your permanent residency in $2,500 and $3,000 as legal fees only, would you rather pay $15,000 or $20,000? No, you won't. But who's going to give you that information? Obviously, if the person is more inclined towards seeing their increase in sales and profits, they're not going to give you that information. It's not profitable for them. I want to say you this thing that whomsoever you consult, make sure that you verify the information from government sources. You make sure from other people. There are people who are there to guide you in the right direction. Make sure you consult them as well. Make sure whomsoever, even if I'm not saying come to me for your business, I'm saying that even if you have already hired an RCIC or a consultant, ask them this question, that if you're filing my application, can you show me on government's website where it says that I can apply under this PNP program with the details that what you have mentioned to me. And that's how things are supposed to be done. Things have to work in a transparent manner. Now, another aspect is the students. They are basically, let's say if I have a client, I'll say that, if you bring me student, believe me, we don't do that. But if you bring me student, I'm going to give you $200 and $400 or $500 as a referral fee. Not necessarily I'm going to be fair with the other person as well. It's not about who knows whom. It's about who knows what. Focus on the information that they're giving it to you. Make sure that information is correct and is available on the government website, point by point, as they have told you. Now, if you need any kind of an assistant, you need an advice, you need to talk to me, or you need to talk to Zach, or you need to book an appointment to visit us personally, feel free to do so. We are here to help you. We are here to guide you in the right direction. And again, even then, do cross-check it on the government website. Thank you very much.